Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are finally putting a case on my phone. And you can't see that my phone doesn't have a case because I'm filming with it, but it doesn't have a case and it is causing me anxiety. So I found this clear case because I thought if I'm gonna put a case on it, I wanna make it my own, right? So it fits my phone, but it is 100% clear, and I'm super excited for that because we are busting out the gems. We are gonna make this thing so awesome and so cool, and a perfect phone case to protect my phone from every single time I drop it, which is a lot. So I will link everything I found and used down in the description along with my socials as always, and let's get right into it. So I am using E6000 to attach my gems, and I have lots of different sizes and shapes of gems of different colors, the ones I've been using recently, and then also a few like more 3D and higher saturation colors, little rhinestones. So I'm gonna lay them all out next to my phone case so that I can build a really nice kind of aesthetic. I'm only going about halfway up the phone case because the back of my phone is like a really nice gold color, and I want that to show through, kind of like golden gems aesthetic. I think that'd be cool. I'm starting with the larger gems and then just going to add in a little bit of the rhinestone ones, the ones with the brighter color. Sorry, my camera's not focusing, not quite sure why it's so in love with my hair. I did put on the E6000 pretty thick, so I'm gonna let this dry overnight before I show you guys the results because the gems will be sliding all over the place if I try to move it. But really there's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just putting on the gems in a pattern that I think would be nice. I'm trying to fit them all together so that they all kind of fit nicely. And then anywhere that there's any extra room, I'm just adding those brightly colored gems. Again, sorry for the camera. I really don't know why it is freaking out, but you can see that it goes on pretty easily. Basically just fill up all the glue. There's not a whole ton of expertise or skill or technique involved in this. Just make something pretty that you think is nice, and that's all you really need. You have a lovely crystal embellished phone case, and I desperately need a phone case, so I think this is really cool. I'm gonna do the ends. I'm not super expecting those to last long term going in and out of my jeans, but this is how it turned out. You can see it's so shiny and so sparkly, and I love it. And I love that the little extra pops of colors come through from the tiny rhinestones as well. I think that's a nice contrast to the big larger gems that are just kind of an iridescent all over color. But anyway, this is my new cell phone case cover, and I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.